Welcome back to this week's episode of CAVC TV. I'm Kay Martin, Principal at CAVC, and I'm here today at our city centre campus. This week we'll be covering the lockdown for Wales and what it means for you and your course at the college. We'll also be doing a quick reminder of the basics when learning from home and how to access all our support services when at home. From 6 p.m. on Friday the 23rd of October until Monday the 9th of November, Wales will enter a firebreak lockdown. This is planned as a short, sharp break to reduce the spread of COVID-19. During this lockdown, you are required to stay at home and follow government guidance unless you are working in essential services. So what does this mean for you and your college course? At the end of Friday, 23rd of October, all Cardiff and Vale College campuses will close for all staff and students. We will then have the planned half-term break between Monday the 26th of October to Friday the 30th of October. During this 1 week there will be no lessons, but you can still study at your own pace. On Monday the 2nd of November, term restarts and your learning continues online. You will follow your usual timetable with all lessons taught online through Microsoft Teams. There will be no campus teaching that week. All our support services will also be available to you online. We will then be in contact with you through your teachers and by email to your CAVC student email with what happens after the lockdown ends on Monday the 9th of November. You may continue to learn online for a bit or start to return to campus. We will make that decision based on any additional measures that are put in place by Welsh Government and let you know. At CAVC, all students do some of their course online at home. The way we teach means that when we need to, for example, when we have a lockdown, like the one we are about to start, or if you need to self-isolate at any point, your learning can move completely online, or we will provide you with a learning pack to take home instead. By now, you will have experienced learning online and at home. We now need to support you to learn completely at home and online for a while. Here is a quick reminder of some basics.
Your lessons will run at the same time as they usually do on your timetable. All online lessons use Microsoft Teams. You can download the Microsoft Teams app onto your own tablet, phone, laptop, or other device, or open Microsoft Teams in your web browser at teams.microsoft.com. If you're asked to log in, type in your usual CAVC login details. Select the Teams icon. Every lesson you have has its own team. To enter a class, click on that team. This will include work for you to undertake for that subject. To access live lessons taking place for that subject at the usual timetable time, go into that team, go to the Posts tab, and then click on the Join button for the live lesson. Don't forget to keep your microphone off when you're not talking. But if you're happy to, pop your camera on so that your teacher and your class can see you. Remember, you can raise your hand here or ask a question any time on the group chat here too.
As always, you can also access all of our support services and staff online. You will find all of this information on the student portal, my.cavc.ac.uk. Here's a quick reminder of how to access this.
Go to my.cavc.ac.uk to access the student portal. Log in using your usual CAVC login details. Click on the first rotating banner, Learning Online. This section includes lots of support for you when you're learning online. It covers how to learn online, including a downloadable guide with the basics, how to access all our student support services online, how to access IT support from home, and links to people you can talk to if you're struggling at any time.
Finally, make sure you can access our CAVC student email and check it regularly. We will keep in contact with you through your teachers, but also send emails to you to keep you up to date. If you are finding it difficult at any point, please let us know. Talk to your teacher or contact one of our support services. Or if you're not sure who to contact, our student services team can help. Call 02920 250 250 or go to cavc.ac.uk and click on the live chat icon to chat online. We know returning to lockdown is difficult. We would love to all be together, but it is important that we follow government guidance and keep each other safe. So take care and stay safe.